Welcome to Followers Panda. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting out, understanding your audience is key to your success on Twitch. Today, we'll guide you through how to check who's following you on Twitch so you can connect better and grow your channel. Let's dive into it. Knowing who follows you on Twitch helps you tailor your content and engage more personally with your audience. Let's see how you can access this valuable information. Open Twitch, then click on your profile icon located in the top right corner to get started. When the menu pops up, select Creator Dashboard to dive into the settings tailored for creators on your account. From the left-hand menu, select Followers List to view everyone who's following you on Twitch. Now you can see everyone who follows you on Twitch. On this page, you can effortlessly add followers as friends, follow them back, or send them messages. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Followers Panda for more tips and guides to help you master Twitch and grow your streaming community. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Happy streaming!